I'm Maximo. I'm from Europe, Austria. My father and I have a company in Austria, and we want to expand with window tinting and car wrapping. And why do it in Austria when you can do it in Los Angeles? I think everyone that wants to do something with cars, wrapping and vinyls, if you want to do it as a hobby or start your own shop, own company, own business, I think it's for everyone. It was cool. It's nice to be in Los Angeles, to take classes here. It's different than in Europe, so I think it's a great experience for me and to take it back to Austria. Get into it a bit, so you know there are plotters and different kind of tints. So a quick briefing of the knowledge and the tints